So I've made more progress on the chassis. I cut and cleaned all the rusty bits, both sides. I've got the panhard brace with part of the chassis ready. Just about to put it back on the car and give a few spot welds. Then I have to flip the chassis upside down so I can weld under. And then I have to make some repairs underneath, probably cut a bit more out and replace it with whatever it's left from the old chassis. Also here I have to do some repair. This mount, it's also a bit weak. The other side I have to do a rebuild on it. But so far we're looking good. Got it welded in place. Now I'm gonna put some bracing behind that. I was supposed to put it before welding the cross member, but then it's better to do it after, because I can just put it behind, hold it and weld it. Same over there. I'm gonna rebuild that corner. It's all welded. Same there. Rebuild that. Put the cross member, weld it from the top, and then flip the chassis over and do the bottom. So we're done with the major bit on the chassis. Then I can tackle the rear bit. So that's it for today. Cross members are in, spot welded, everything nice. I've just fitted the springs so I can move the car back and forward. So what's next for tomorrow? I still have to close them gaps and finish the welds on the top, on the sides, on the back, and then flip the chassis and finish the welds under. Or might as well try and figure it out how we can save this bracket. Maybe cut and rebuild it, probably. Oh, hang on, I still have oh, this is bad as well. But I think it's better than the other one, so I can cut it and fix the corner. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And cut this one as well. Fix it. So yeah, that's it for today. Big progress. Chassis is now upside down. Remove the axle so I can start cutting this piece of metal because it's a bit weak, rusty, and weld the new metal, close the gap. Same on the other side. Same in here. I have to chop this section and weld inside on the other side, and right there. Yeah, I've now completed the welding underneath. Just few spots to grind, like where the here that needs to be grinded because the bump stop is going to be there. So now I'm gonna fix the axle because this is damaged as well, and there's more on this side. Oh no, oh, it's the same on this side. It's all done. And yeah, drill them holes for the tow bar. Same here. So chassis, it's all done. It's all welded up underneath. I've done the plate. 1, 2. Now I have to fix these brackets. Panhard bracket. It's all corroded, and I have to cut it and weld another plate. And also the upper control arm bracket is destroyed. This one here looks okay. So sorry, this is not the panhard, this is the shock. This is the shock absorber bracket. So let's get to it. I'm gonna use the air gun to free all the rust, like so. So all the brackets are repaired. Took me a while. This one I have to do it this side, also this side, and this one here. Still have to do one tiny bit on the panhard pin, but that's basically here. That will be done when I drop the axle down. But yeah, everything else. Yeah, and also I still have to do the weld on this side, but when I flip the axle. I made it like a factory with holes and everything. As you can see how much rust was in the brackets. So now the chassis it's all painted. I've done the second coat yesterday. All the sway bar, spare wheel carrier brace, the rear diff. I already started to fit the new calipers for the rear. What else? Soon I'll be pressing the rear bushes for the trailing arms. Yeah, it's a little bit dusty as I had the door open today, and it's been to let it dry, obviously. Looking good. Looking very good. Obviously this is where has been repaired. Same on the other side. On the inside as well, this has been replaced. This has been replaced. You can see the reinforcement plate on the inside. I have to replace these two. The bottom ones are just perfect, but the top ones knackered. Looking very good.